Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study about an essay which is impacts of COVID-19 on education. COVID-19 या कोरोना वायरस के तालीम पर असरात. Let's start. The impact of pandemic COVID-19 is observed in every sector around the world. The education sectors of Pakistan as well as world are badly affected by this. However, impact of COVID-19 on education has few positive outcomes apart from the many negative aspects of the pandemic. Positive impacts of COVID-19. COVID-19 has accelerated adoption of digital technologies to deliver education. Educational institutions move towards blended mode of learning. It encouraged all teachers and students to become more technology savvy. The pandemic situation induced people to learn and use digital technology and resulted in increasing the digital literacy. Learning materials are shared among the students easily, and the queries are resolved through email, SMS, phone calls, and using different social medias like WhatsApp or Facebook. Students are able to manage their time more efficiently in online education during pandemic. Teachers have also adopted new methods of teaching like through videos, video conferencing, which are considered as one of the best and fast learning media of teaching. Students are able to analyze more effectively what they are being taught and definitely learn new computer skills as they have to do lots of assignments through computer or laptops only. Even those who are preparing for competitive exams are being provided with an opportunity to avail online courses. Negative impacts of COVID-19. Education sector has suffered a lot due to the outbreak of COVID-19. It has created many negative impacts on education. Classes have been suspended and exams at different levels postponed. Admission process got delayed. Most of the recruitment got postponed due to COVID-19. Unemployment rate is expected to be increased due to this pandemic. Other problem is also that not all teachers or students are good at it, or at least not all of them were ready for this sudden transition from face-to-face learning to online learning. Moreover, online learning has also been a problem for poor or lower middle class students who do not have any internet facilities. As many students have limited or no internet access, and many students may not be able to afford computer, laptop, or sporting mobile phones to their home. Online learning may create a digital divide among students. Thus, The online teaching learning method during pandemic COVID-19 may enhance the gap between rich poor and urban rural. As the schools were or are closed, there is no midday meal program. Somewhere students are missing their school life where they used to enjoy a lot with their friends, apart from studying and other extracurricular activities. An emotional relationship creates between teachers and students, which is not there in the digitalized learning. Laboratory based practical studies in subjects like engineering and medical is important, which is not possible in this pandemic period, which is again a big loss of such students. Conclusion: the year 2020 is going to be most remarkable period of 21st century with millions of deaths all over the world and degraded the economy of countries which are worst affected. Education sector is also one of the most affected sectors. In this pandemic time, regular hand washing and social distancing or isolation is what we can do. It is unpredictable that how long it will take to reinstate to the normal situation, but till then we have to follow every single precautionary measures. We all know that online education can never replace traditional educational system. Moreover, digitalized learning gave birth to a new kind of discrimination between those who have access to internet and those who did not have. And the main important thing, that is interaction between students and teachers, have also been affected. But apart from the certain challenges and looking all current situation, online studying is the only option available to us. This is the essay about impacts of COVID-19 on education. Allah Hafiz.